What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your passport in PayPal. So it's pretty simple to change your passport in PayPal. So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And with that said, just keep that in mind. Once you change your passport in PayPal, if you try to log in into your PayPal account with the older passport, then it's gonna say passport incorrect and it's not gonna allow you to log in into your PayPal account. So once you change your passport to the newer passport, that newer passport is required for you to log in into your PayPal account. So after you change your passport in PayPal, make sure to remember the newer passport, otherwise it's gonna be a problem for you. Alright? Now with that said, first step is you wanna go to paypal.com and log in into your account. And once you do that, click on the setting looking icon over here or a gear looking icon. Once you do that, it's gonna take you to the setting page. Over here, go on versus security. Now once you go on security, what you want to do is versus passport. You wanna click on versus update. Once you do that, it's asking you to enter your current passport. So enter your current passport over here. And after you do that, you want to enter the newer passport which you want to set. After you enter it, you want to enter it again to confirm it. Now once you do that, click on change passport. And if your current passport you entered over here is correct, and if both of these passport matches with each other, then your passport will be changed. So that's how you guys can change your passport in PayPal. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And with that said, it's me Richie Kevin. Thanks for watching app tutorial. Bye bye until next time everybody. Have a nice day and enjoy.